now, and it's currently 8:39. It will be a short series. First week, of school as a grade 12 student, and there will be like 3, 4, or 5 episodes. I'm not sure. Maybe I will have a proper schedule of posting vlogs that is every Wednesday, but then again there will be some delays because magiging busy ako. Never know. So Wednesday, kasi yung Wednesday we only have one subject, which is PE. So yay. So bye for now. Hello guys, I am here sa kwarto. Don't mind that kasi the cabinet has a mirror. So dito ako salamin sa dingding na sinampagi. So nakabihis ako t-shirt, but I'm still in my shorts. So this is a change of quite of the plan. I'm gonna show you get ready with me. So ito na yung skincare na ako. Ito pala. Sunscreen from Seoul White Korea. It's very important. I'm gonna tap it because I have acne. So it looks so weird. Oh my god. Why does it look so weird in camera? Oh my god, why are you so OA? Hi guys, this is Future Self Day 3 editing. There's my uniform. Hindi pa kami mag-uniform kasi ewan ko rin. Char. First week pa, so I'm using this ba yun? Shade Wonder. This is actually not really my shade, but it kind of works if I make it work, diba? It looks natural. It looks pink on camera, diba? And then let's top it with Kim Muse Air Weightless Matte Lipstick, shade Cinnamon. Then powder, should I not? What time is it? It's 10:39. So I will go at 11 siguro. So I think that's it for my face. That's a quick get ready with me, and this is how I prepare my face every day. Buutan. Na ako'y ma-flex, guys. Uy, kurata na ko. Flex na ho, guys. Our own binik. Bagay na guys. Bagay rigid na. First, I'm sorry. Small. But it's not giving. Small compartments. Sabi ang nanay iya hataan. Sama natin.
Mag-sleep siya if mag-sweat ka, and I'm a sweaty person, so it's not worth. Ay, napakabog ko na eh. Always the coquette girl. I bought my tissue. Color pink with a keychain. Abangan guys, abangan. Isa may body mo, I think it's okay, let's go to the exciting part. Party of perfume. Mauna akong brand of perfume. It's from Bath & Body Works. It's not giving o ganahan. If mag-vanilla scent ka, tapos sweaty person ka, it's a no for me. Red with fire! Red with fire, guys. Pink lang. Black pink. Black pink. Look, ako niya, eh. Look at me. Diba? From Metro. Na-permitin ang hilapitan. Sa gamay, nagsulog. Pink. Pink. Pico ako ba yung guys? Color pink na! Oh my God! New ending phone. Napaka-pink na fan. Wala talagang pink ko. Yeah! Plura ako! Make it change guys. Fit check! Fit check. Raquel. Bye-bye. Bali Angela, oy. Bali Colette, oy. Our very own Colette. Kita na ang seniors, wala tayong look. They look up na sila sa auto. We're the ate. Sila look up mo kahit ano sa mga What do you do for a living? What do you guys do for a living? I sleep, I eat, and I listen to music, and I watch K-dramas, and that's all. It's a big impact in the community. My voice is raspy. I don't know why. It has been, what, 1 week since it's in this situation. And I don't like it because I can't speak properly. I feel like I'm always catching my breath. And why are you looking there?
She always releases back.
Why are you looking there? Do you want me to show them who you are looking at?
Oh, mga ko kapansin eh.
My partner.
Ha? Ano naman si Joella?
Because you were busy in life.
At him. Can you stop teasing? I'm
Okay.
not even looking at him. Teasing? I was tulala, okay?
Uy, kanyo ka pala ka.
Kapala ka.
Set, basin ka na silang para sa imong sutuan.
Ama, dala, nangita, Jud.
Bata, bedera.
Paki-hold.
Hold me forever.
Hi.
Paano to i-back? We're
tawag ka dyan, we're vlog takeover. We're takeovering,
With the author Imnida that
yes, we're takeovering Sagrada's vlog. Yeah. Takeovering, is that the right, correct?
Where is the tawagan na YouTuber Imnida?
Oh,
The author Imnida and the YouTuber Imnida.
And the cooking nida. Cooking nida. Man to si Alaysa Nida.
There's a lost stem
From STEM A to UMS A real quick.
real quick.
Within a
How quick?
Oh my God.
Who's your... Hey, 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 hey. Hey!
Hi, so today I'm in Duela and we're going on a trip. I'm with Rocket Jet. And the owner is laughing. Guys, Alaysa likes your arts, kuya. Uy, but char. Uy, against the Lord mo dira. Against the Lord.
Pauwi, wag muna tayo. Ilagan! Ilagan! Hi! 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 Hi!
Flex, A, mag-A daw ta.
Eh, lang grade 12.
May
Ay muna.
Dili, kawa ko'y load. Dili, lahi na kong kuwan. Dili pa, halata man siguro.
Eh.
Oh.
Huwag niyo akong
Hoy,
binabara
bias reaker na ba na ako na sa Sheena?
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Kita inyong kagwapo. Di makita. Di makita ang kagwapo.
Di ba kitang linog pala ko?
Nasa na eh.
Pwede sabihin. Alam mo yun.
Magtiniil naman ni siya.
May pwede sila doon. Kaya ko. Wait na.
Uwi na kami.
This day ended